Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I have a completion for you. I have finished Proud Peacock for hashtag Bejeweled Peacocks DP with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0, hosted by Crafty Chef Diamonds and Diamonds Around You, Vivian. It was it was fun. I the peacock came out beautiful, just beautiful. But it was one of my more frustrating canvases. I couldn't wait to finish it because there was a lot of trash. I didn't save all the trash, and I'm not even going to save these. I'm throwing my trash away. I'm just saving them to show everybody what trash drills look like. So let me talk about the canvas, and then I'll show you the canvas. Okay, this is my logbook, the one for 2026. So I finished this canvas today. Well, the day I'm filming this, which is the 23rd of February. It was a canvas I got at Cracker Barrel by Crystal Art Craft Buddy. It's called Proud Peacock. It had 27 colors, no special drills. But I added 2. I added an AB in the eyes. In the eye. There's only one eye on this peacock. Only one eye. And I added some at the top of the feathers, at the top of her head, or his head. So I did add some ABs. There, I had enough drills. I didn't run out of any, but the trash was horrible. Horrible, horrible. And it came with a frame. So mine, the bottom of the frame was actually covering some of the bottom drills. I couldn't return it because they had sold out of the peacock. They didn't have it anymore. The top part of the frame, you will see there's plenty of room up there. So they didn't center it properly on the frame. That was my other issue. But you can't tell by looking at it, and you'll see. So I didn't run out of any, but I added this color for, this is number 7002. It's a diamond dots. I added this in the eyes. There was another one I added, but I don't remember what it was because I put it away already. The whites of the eyes was a fairy dust that I added, a white fairy dust. And then I added the 5003 by Diamond Dots in the top of the feathers, the very top on his head. So these were the 2 that I added, these special drills. This is the trash. Let's see, I'm going to pour them in here. This is just a very small sample of all the trash, and there's still trash in the containers because I'm not saving these drills. They're going to go in for an ASMR video, which is to come. So, I mean, it's literal trash. Not even a full diamond. Slithers. What else did I see? Tabs on them, little teeny tiny drills, hairs, just half a drill, a quarter of a drill, slivers, like I said, just, and some of these were just diamonds that were in a color that they weren't supposed to be in. And there may not be anything wrong with those, but I wasn't going to save them. So yeah, this was a very small portion of the trash. And you don't want to put the diamonds that are got tabs on them. Let me see if I can find one. Yeah, this one. I don't know if you can see it though. Come on. Okay. I don't know if you can tell, but that drill right there, it's got a tab on it. And you don't want to put those on your canvas because they push the drill that's next to that tab and it will cause popping down the line. And you'll be like, why are they popping? Because you put a drill on there that had a nub and it didn't line up nicely. So don't save them. Just get rid of them. Don't put them on your canvas. So that was the trash, and I'm not saving these. This is just going to go in the garbage. But I just wanted to show you the amount. And like I said, this is only a quarter of it. I probably got almost a full bag of trash from this canvas. And it was very frustrating for me to kind of do this number to get rid of all the trash before I could get to the the good diamonds. So I wasn't happy about that. So I did, as you know, I make a copy of the color grid and I put it here. So here is the color grid and here are the spares. So I'm still debating whether or not I'm going to seal this canvas or not. It's not a premium. Well, I guess it is a premium, but to me the drills were very, they were horrible to work with, because I had to fight through them to get to the good ones. Well, do you want to see the canvas? So I might seal it, I might not. I don't know yet. So looking at it, I showed it. Well, my husband hasn't seen it yet because he's been at work. But let me show you what I'm talking about with the frame. Okay. See down here? See how close? And I don't even know if there's more drills here or not. But it's not even. Not even all the way across. And then if you look up here, it's very smooth. I mean, my finger can run through the whole thing. It's very smooth. Much easier to place the diamonds up here. Very difficult to place them here. I had a hard time. Matter of fact, there's two things right here that don't even have diamonds that are supposed to have diamonds, but I couldn't get a diamond in there. So I've got two other canvases from Cracker Barrel. I'm not sure if I'm going to do them. I might destash them, but I'm going to take a hard look at the top and the bottom of the frame where the canvas goes in and see if, that will work. So I'll have to let you know on that. Okay, let's take a look. Isn't that pretty though? I mean, the finished product is pretty. See the glitter all up here? The shine? And in the eye, there's the eye. Right there, the eye. There's ABs in there and fairy dust in that eye. So, it came out pretty. But like I said, it was very frustrating working on it. And plus, I can only use a two-placer to multi-place. These sections here drove me crazy. Color blocking drives me crazy. I don't mind, you know, I should be done with it in a couple of minutes. And it took me, I did a little here one day, a little here another day, a little here. I just did these a little each day because of all the color blocking. Oh, I get bored, so I have to change it up. So I kept bouncing around while I was doing the color blocking. But like I said, it came out nice. And yeah, there's my peacock for Bejeweled Peacocks DP with Diamond Painting Friends 2.0. Make sure you're watching our group on Facebook for the events. So that is, and like I said, I do like the fact that it's got a frame, but it was frustrating. Very frustrating. Okay, let me, I had a lot of extra drills. I mean, oh, let's do it this way. A lot here. And these are the ones with the white tray. I really liked working with these. Where you just fold it over, shake, 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 tilt, and they line up. It was easy peasy. So I had plenty of leftovers. Oh, there's nothing in that one. I've already emptied some of them in the trash. So these. So yeah, I'm gonna do a ASMR of these so that you can see the ornaments as I finish them up. I think there's enough colors here to maybe finish up one of my ornaments. And thank you for watching. I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and that is my Proud Peacock by Craft Buddy finish. Everybody, be kind and have a wonderful day.